As a man over 30, have you ever imagined having smooth skin where you don't have to struggle with acne and blackheads every day? What if I told you that your imagination can become a reality? Would you believe me? Well, you should, because we have good news for you. In today's video, we'll be covering ways you can fix your skin problems as a man over 30. Ready to find out what they are? Let's get started. Number 1. Protect your skin from the sun. The sun is one of the biggest contributors to early skin aging. Make sure to protect your skin from harmful UV rays by using sunscreen with an SPF over 30 or higher every day, even on cloudy days. Additionally, wear a wide-brimmed hat and sunglasses to further shield your skin from the sun's rays. Number 2. Use anti-aging skincare products. In your 30s, it's crucial to develop a skincare regimen tailored to your specific needs. Your 30s are the time to target wrinkles and fine lines. Use a gentle cleanser, moisturizer, and eye cream. Add an anti-aging serum or night cream as needed for optimal results. Number 3. Avoid smoking and alcohol to prevent premature aging. Smoking and alcohol consumption can accelerate wrinkles and other signs of aging. They also increase your risk of skin cancer. Can you cut back? It's one of the best things you can do for your skin. Number 4. Ask your dermatologist about Botox. Botox is a popular cosmetic treatment involving botulinum toxin injections. It's perfect for men in their 30s who are starting to notice signs of aging. Botox reduces wrinkles, fine lines, crow's feet, and frown lines. Number 5. Use a serum with retinol. Retinol, a vitamin A derivative, promotes collagen production and reduces wrinkles. Look for a serum containing retinol and apply it daily after cleansing. Number 6. Follow a healthy diet for glowing skin. A healthy diet is essential for keeping your skin looking its best. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks, which can cause inflammation, acne, and wrinkles. Number 7. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water keeps your skin hydrated. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. If plain water bores you, try adding a slice of lemon or cucumber for flavor. Number 8. Moisturize your skin. Moisturizing is one of the simplest ways to keep your skin youthful and healthy. Choose a lightweight moisturizer that absorbs quickly and apply it every morning and evening. Consider adding a night cream with retinol to repair your skin while you sleep. Night creams typically contain ingredients like retinol, which helps you reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Number 8. Exercise regularly for improved skin elasticity. Exercise is an important part of a healthy lifestyle. It helps keep your skin toned and elastic and can also reduce the risk of skin cancer. Exercise improves skin conditions by increasing blood circulation and delivering oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Are you aiming for at least 30 minutes of exercise each day? You should. Number 9. Don't forget to apply eye cream. The skin around the eyes is thin and delicate, making it more susceptible to wrinkles and age spots. Using an eye cream is a great way to nourish your skin while you sleep. What should you look for in an eye cream? Look for one that contains antioxidants to help protect your skin from damage. Number 10. Use the right toner. Toning your skin is an excellent way to remove excess dirt and oil. It also helps reduce the appearance of pores. Have you found a toner that works for you? Choose one that contains antioxidants to provide additional protection for your skin. Number 11. Take vitamin E for healthy skin. Vitamin E is an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy skin. It protects the skin from damage and can also reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. Where can you find vitamin E? You can get it from foods like nuts and seeds, or by taking a supplement. If you have a skin problem that has lingered for too long, applying the tips we've shared in this video will help you fix your skin problem. Also, don't forget that consistency will play a vital role in resolving your skin issues. Did you learn anything new in this video? Let us know in the comment section below. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.